Okay, I'm in the back end of my YouTube channel, and what I'm going to do is show you the tool that allows you to do search engine optimization to improve the odds of your video being seen by others when they're searching on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, I'm going to pick a video that I can show you this with. Well, let's do this PowerPoint one. Okay, this is what it looks like when you put a video up. All of this information is stuff that you have to put in. You know, your title, your description, various things about the video that you have to do, like you're required to say whether it's made for children or not made for children. That's to comply with a federal law regarding children. And down here are keywords that you can put in, refer to them as tags, that when the YouTube search engine looks at videos to see which ones satisfy the search keywords that the user has put in, it looks at your title, it looks at your description, it looks at what you've got down here for tags. So what I did was I used the search engine optimization or keyword research to come up with what would be good to put in there as tags to improve the odds that my video will be found. And that's how I come up with this list that I put in here. Now there is a tool, the one that I chose, it was recommended to me, called TubeBuddy, and it's a add-in for the Chrome browser. And once you install it, it's got a lot of features that you'll use in the paid version, and there's a couple of different levels of the paid version. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I can use this thing. If I go down here, let's see, alright, right here, this is part of the TubeBuddy here, where suggested is where it will look at what I've got for a title and what I've got in my description of the video, and it will suggest to me, based on that, it'll suggest to me these are different tags that I might want to associate with my video to improve the odds of it. They call it ranking in the search, kind of like Google, in the sense that when you search for something on Google, it displays links, and it will usually find whatever it is that you're putting out there, but you know what you're looking for, your content may be on the third or fourth page of results, or maybe 100 pages. Well, if it's not on that first or second page, the odds of somebody ever finding it and clicking on it is pretty slim. So you want to get your content ranked high up to where it's on the first or second page, because that drastically improves the odds that it'll be found. So anyway, this is where you can come up with keywords or phrases that may help you do that. So this is one part of the search engine optimization. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to show you the keyword research tool. And that's this keyword explorer, and again, that's another feature of this TubeBuddy plugin. And basically what it is up here you give it a keyword. For example, I'm going to type in PowerPoint animation tutorial, then I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to come up and it's going to give me a score as to good, bad, poor, excellent, whatever. Okay, so it's telling me that that key phrase there, PowerPoint animation tutorial, is a fair phrase to use. Tells you 27 out of 100 is the score. Now there is weighted and unweighted. If I click on the unweighted tab, I get excellent. Okay, and unweighted, I just get fair. Okay, here's the thing, the weighted score takes into account how that keyword search will work with your channel. And basically what they're doing is they're weighing your channel against all the other channels out there that are producing content using that key phrase up there. So what that basically means is my video, we could have a video that I produce. I could put it on my channel, and I could put that exact same video on somebody's channel that had 10,000 subscribers. Put in all of the keywords and title, everything about that video be identical on my channel and on the person with 10,000 subscribers. Because that person has 10,000 subscribers and a lot more views than I do, it's going to rank much, much higher in the search results than my channel will, simply because he's got the advantage of all of those subscribers and all of those views. The YouTube search engine is going to present his video way up in the search results, and my video, because I'm just such a tiny little channel, is going to appear page 6 or page 20 or whatever. So because he's a much larger channel and has so many more subs, the odd they're gonna put his video way up at the top of the search results, where mine is going to be buried. So the only way that I can build my following to get to where I've got more subscribers and more views is to actually do like I did, which is reach out to other people that I know, such as you, and ask them, can you subscribe to my channel and watch my videos? It'll help me, because there's no way for me to get to the point that that other guy is at unless I do those grassroots efforts by actually reaching out to my friends and family and whatnot and asking them to sub and asking them to watch my videos and asking them to share my content. I have to go out and do the hard work, whereas he's at a point where he's got enough subscribers, he's not having to do that anymore, because he's got so many subscribers and so many views that it's going to grow automatically. So that's what this is all about. Learning, reaching out to people, using tools like this TubeBuddy tool to do what I can to try and rank higher. And so by using this tool, it told me what keywords would work well and so forth, and I plug them in and just keep on trucking. Hopefully I explained that well. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.